Oh wow, nice old building. What is this lift? It's got like a DMN lifts outside. That looks like a Schindler 3500 because it's a Schindler. What? What the hell is this? It looks generic on the outside, but it's a Schindler? Oh wow, you can, yeah, the left's not scenic enough.
Sounds like an old lift.
Yeah, it's probably an old lift with a 3500 put in, and then they put a flipping generic button on the outside. Wait, 4? It's probably gonna be nothing. Yeah, it's got the DMN lifts on the outside. Seriously, why does it have a generic button pedal thing on the outside? That's how bizarre. Sorry, old. Which is going great. Huh, that was the most confusing lift ever. So yeah, it's got like that thing on the outside, but then it's actually a Schindler. So very confusing lift, this one.